Yeah, so today I ordered a glorious Model O PC gaming race mouse. I don't know. Let's not look at that because that's my address. So I have scissors, but I don't think I actually need scissors because it opens. Never mind. I need scissors. I'm weak. Alright, so I ordered this about Thursday of last week. If this is posting whenever. I don't know. I ordered it a couple weeks ago, like a week or so ago. So definitely shipping time was like none. They're definitely on top of their stuff. Definitely solid company. So now you're probably thinking, maybe you're thinking, what David or Toops David? I don't care if you know my name. Why'd you get the Model O over the what is it called? The Ninja mouse, the final mouse that everyone uses. Because it was cheaper. It's basically the same mouse. It's 76 grams. I think the final mouse is what, like 65 or something. Like it's literally the same weight when it comes down to that many grams. And it was like the final mouse is like what, 80 bucks? This was like 50. And there's lights inside of it. And so that was the main reason why I got it. They have the same sensor inside of them, which I don't know. There are other videos that have better specs. Here, right here on the back, it says the sensor is a Pixart PMW 3360 sensor. Switch type, number of buttons is 6. Wait, what the heck? There's 6. G-skates, DPI indicator, yep. LED, yep. LED software, yep. See, and it's pretty much the same thing as a final mouse. So when you compare the Model O to a final mouse, there isn't much difference, and so mainly with the price is why I went with the Model O. Now the Model O is a little bit bigger, I think, than the final mouse, but who cares? So the one thing I don't like is that they kind of bent the cord right there a little bit in the packaging. But the cord, it is very light. It is a light mouse. Compared to my Logitech G502, it is a light mouse. But again, all mice are pretty light anyway. It has a nice click, scroll wheel. It's quiet. There's 2 buttons on the side. You can click down. This is I think it's the change for the DPI. It's a very light mouse. Nice feel. I dig it. We can get these out here. No one cares about those. The cord is very light. It makes it look really nice. So now, what are some of these? I got a little sticker, which is kind of cool. Glorious PC Gaming. Oh, not glorious. No one cares. Got another sticker, which I'll probably put in my phone or something. Nothing in there. And then I think this is telling you how to download their software or something. Maybe. I got the black version if you guys didn't realize I got the black version. So there's the glorious mode. There's the wave, which is probably what I'm going to get because that's what I have on there. Additional settings, setup and support. Yeah, so that's how you do that. And it looks like there's something else in here, which is probably just them saying, oh, buy our other stuff. I ain't gonna buy your other stuff. Alright, I'm gonna set up this mouse with my PC. I'll be back for me, will be like a couple minutes. For you, it'll be right now. So, yeah. Alright, so as you guys can see, I have set up the mouse here. I just used the glorious mode, which is just the cycle of colors, which is basically just a rainbow, which is what I have on my keyboard and what I have on my graphics card. So it just kind of goes with the theme of what my PC is. So far, I've only used it a little bit. I've used the software, which if you do buy this mouse, it comes in the box. The box on one of these papers, I think on this paper, it tells you what you need to do and where you go to download it. It's not hard to use. It's pretty easy to understand the thing. I'm loving this mouse so far. The RGB looks really cool. And so I'm going to play a couple games. I'm going to show you guys what I'm just going to play, I think, a little games of Ravenfield. And I'll record it so you guys can see my hands. And it'll be cool because it'll be like a hand cam, but for video. Alright, so I'm playing with a little bit with the mouse. I've already customized the DPI settings to how I want them. And Honestly, I don't have to move the mouse. Basically, like the way I've set it up, I don't have to move the mouse at all, really, to even go anywhere. Feels really good in my hand. I can lower the DPI so that I have to move the mouse a lot more, but that's mainly for like sniping and stuff. But the customizable settings for the actual DPI is insane. You can go from 400 to about 10,000, I think. It was something crazy like that, which I was very impressed with. I was very happy with the amount of customization you could actually do with this mouse. Where on other videos I've seen with the Final Mouse, I had very little. They had very little customizable settings. There's about 5 buttons on this mouse that you can customize, which I'm definitely gonna have to customize a couple of these for Fortnite, which I'm obviously not playing right now, but I just can't see that. So I literally have to move the mouse in about this much of a range to do anything, and the thumb buttons feel really good to push. They're very easy to push. The mouse wheel, it's kind of hard to scroll on, but I'm just used to maybe a looser wheel, which is definitely something that won't be hard to get used to at all. So in the long run, or like, if you're trying to figure out what mouse to buy, I would definitely 100% suggest this mouse, or like my other mouse, the Logitech G502. That one has a lot of buttons if you don't want to do as much on your hand for Fortnite, especially because you can keybind a lot on that one. But this Final Mouse, if you're gonna buy, or not the Final Mouse, the Model O mouse, if you're gonna buy the Final Mouse, check out the Model O before you buy it, just because they're basically the same mouse, but they're a lot more effective for better price, and it's just, I think in general it's a better mouse. This mouse feels great. So in conclusion, buy this mouse if you're gonna buy a mouse. If you're not gonna buy a mouse, buy this mouse. It's a good mouse. Do it. You won't. All right, thank you guys. This was another review. If you liked it, make sure you hit the flip out of the like button. If you have any questions about this mouse, please tell me. Ask me in the comments. I'll be happy to answer them. I'll try and answer them as quick as possible with the best possible answer. But as always, I'll see you dudes in the next one. Hand cam. This is stupid.